Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of travel gear and counting down the top 5 best expandable luggage options you can get right now. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just planning your next vacation, expandable luggage can be a game changer when it comes to packing flexibility. Stick around as we break down the pros and cons of each option, so you can make the best choice for your travels. Number 5 on our list is the SwissGear 7366 Expandable Luggage. The SwissGear 7366 Expandable Luggage is a well-crafted suitcase designed for the traveler who values durability, functionality, and maneuverability. With its thoughtful features, this suitcase aims to provide comfort and ease while navigating airports or other travel destinations. However, as with any product, it has its pros and cons that are worth considering before making a purchase. Pros: durable construction. The SwissGear 7366 is made of durable ABS material, which ensures it can withstand the usual wear and tear of frequent travel. Whether you're dealing with rough handling or crowded airports, this suitcase holds up well over time, offering long-lasting protection for your belongings. Expandable design. One of the standout features of this luggage is its expandable capacity. With a 2-inch expansion, this bag provides extra space when needed, making it versatile for trips that require more packing room. Whether you're bringing back souvenirs or simply need more room for your clothes, the expandable design is a huge plus. Easy maneuverability. The SwissGear 7366 comes equipped with 4 360-degree spinner wheels, which offer exceptional maneuverability. The smooth, multi-directional wheels make it easy to navigate tight spaces, busy terminals, or uneven surfaces, providing a stress-free travel experience. Organizational pockets. Inside, you'll find a variety of internal pockets designed to help you stay organized during your travels. These pockets are ideal for separating smaller items, such as toiletries, chargers, and documents, making it easier to access your belongings when needed. Retractable telescopic handle. The suitcase features a premium, push-button steel telescopic handle that is both comfortable and easy to use. This handle adjusts to different heights, ensuring that travelers of all sizes can use it without strain. The molded lift handles on the top and side also add convenience for lifting and maneuvering the suitcase. Cons: limited exterior storage. Unlike some other suitcases that feature multiple exterior compartments for quick access to essential items, the SwissGear 7366 lacks additional storage options on the outside. This means you'll need to rely more heavily on the internal compartments for organization. The SwissGear 7366 Expandable Luggage is a solid choice for travelers who prioritize durability, ease of use, and organization. Its expandable design and smooth spinner wheels make it ideal for a variety of travel needs. Number 4 is the Traveler's Choice Pagosa Expandable Luggage. When it comes to choosing luggage for travel, durability, convenience, and organization are paramount. The Traveler's Choice Pagosa Expandable Luggage delivers on all of these factors, offering a reliable option for both short and long trips. This video is a breakdown of its pros and cons, so you can determine if it's the right travel companion for you. Pros: durable construction. One of the standout features of the Pagosa luggage is its indestructible polypropylene hardshell. This material is both abrasion and scratch resistant, ensuring that the suitcase holds up well under rough handling or harsh travel conditions. Whether it's being thrown onto a conveyor belt or maneuvered through a bustling airport, you can trust this suitcase to withstand the wear and tear of frequent travel. Water resistant. The polypropylene material also offers water resistance, an essential feature for protecting your belongings in case of rain or accidental spills. This extra layer of protection helps keep your items dry, giving you peace of mind during your journey. Expandable design. The suitcase features an expansion gusset that adds up to 2 inches of extra packing space. This is a major advantage for those who tend to overpack or need extra room for souvenirs. The expandable feature gives you flexibility without sacrificing the suitcase's overall functionality. Smooth maneuverability. Equipped with spinner wheels, the Pagosa luggage offers 360 rolling maneuverability. The four wheels make it incredibly easy to glide through crowded airports and tight spaces without straining your arms or shoulders. The effortless rolling makes navigating through busy terminals a breeze, whether you're running to catch a flight or heading to baggage claim. Convenient handling. The luggage also boasts a multi-stage telescoping handle that adjusts with a push-button mechanism. This feature allows you to set the handle to your preferred height, enhancing comfort while pulling the suitcase. In addition, the top and side rubber carry handles make it easier to lift and carry the suitcase, especially in situations where you may need to handle it manually. Organized interior inside the suitcase. The Pagosa features a large compartment that's perfect for organizing your belongings. Multiple zippered pockets and self-mending 10 zippers enhance durability and help keep your items organized. Additionally, the interior compression straps help secure your clothing, reducing the chance of wrinkles and maximizing space efficiency. Cons. Heavier than some alternatives. Due to its sturdy polypropylene construction and expandable design, the Traveler's Choice Pagosa luggage may be a bit heavier compared to some soft-sided or less rigid alternatives. While this ensures durability, it might be a concern for travelers looking to minimize weight, especially when trying to adhere to strict baggage weight limits. The Traveler's Choice Pagosa Expandable Luggage is an excellent option for travelers who prioritize durability, water resistance, and organization. Its expandable design and smooth maneuverability make it a versatile choice, whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or an international adventure. Coming in at number 3 is the Rockland F190 Expandable Luggage. Traveling with the right luggage can make all the difference, and the Rockland F190 Expandable Luggage is designed to offer both style and functionality. Made from durable ABS, this luggage offers an impressive balance of lightweight construction and sturdiness. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of the Rockland F190 to help you decide if it's the right travel companion for you. Pros. Lightweight yet durable. One of the standout features of the Rockland F190 is its combination of lightweight design and durability. The luggage is constructed from ABS, which is known for being both lightweight and impact-resistant. This material can withstand the rigors of travel, ensuring that your belongings are well protected without adding unnecessary bulk. Easy to maneuver. Navigating through crowded airports or hotel lobbies is a breeze with the Rockland F190. The luggage is equipped with 8 multi-directional spinner wheels that allow for smooth 360-degree movement. Whether you're pushing or pulling, these wheels make maneuvering the suitcase effortless, reducing the strain on your arms and wrists. Expandable design for extra packing space. The expandable feature is a major bonus for travelers who need a bit more room for their belongings. Whether you're bringing back souvenirs or simply need to pack extra items for a longer trip, this expandable luggage can accommodate your needs. The ability to increase packing capacity can also help you avoid paying for excess baggage weight, a common issue with many airlines. Sturdy telescoping handle. The telescoping handle of the Rockland F190 is designed for comfort and ease of use. Made of modern chrome, the handle is not only sturdy but also features a push-button mechanism for easy adjustment. The ergonomic design reduces strain on your hand and arm while pulling the suitcase, enhancing the overall travel experience. Cons. Durability concerns with overloading. While the ABS material is generally durable, overpacking the luggage beyond its expandable capacity can compromise its structure. The suitcase may become more prone to wear and tear, especially if it is subjected to rough handling. Therefore, it's essential to pack within reasonable limits to ensure the longevity of the luggage. The Rockland F190 Expandable Luggage offers an excellent balance of lightweight durability, ease of movement, and ample packing space for most travelers. Its expandable design and ergonomic handle make it ideal for those seeking practicality, while its interior organization features add a touch of convenience. Number 2 is the Samsonite Freeform Expandable Luggage. When it comes to finding reliable luggage for extended trips or frequent travel, the Samsonite Freeform Expandable Spinner is a solid choice. With an array of features designed for convenience, security, and durability, this piece of luggage stands out in a crowded market. Let's We'll explore the pros and cons of the Samsonite Freeform 28 spinner to help you determine if it's the right travel companion for your needs. Pros: spacious and expandable design. The Samsonite Freeform 28 spinner offers impressive storage capacity, making it an ideal option for longer trips or those who tend to overpack. With dimensions of 27.6 x 20.0 x 13.0 when unexpanded, it provides a generous amount of packing space. Additionally, the expandable feature allows you to increase your packing capacity, which is perfect for those returning with extra souvenirs or needing more room for personal items. Superior maneuverability. One of the standout features of this luggage is its 8 multi-directional double spinner wheels. These wheels provide smooth 360-degree upright rolling, making it much easier to navigate through crowded airports or hotel lobbies. The effortless movement reduces the strain on your arms and shoulders, allowing for more comfortable handling, especially when moving through tight spaces. Lightweight yet durable construction. Despite its larger size, the Samsonite Freeform spinner weighs just 9.5 lbs, which is relatively light for its class. This makes it an excellent option for those looking to avoid excess baggage fees while still having ample space for their belongings. The ultralight yet strong shell is designed to endure the rough handling often experienced during travel, ensuring that your luggage remains in top condition despite the wear and tear of frequent use. Added security features. The recessed TSA combination lock is another valuable feature of this luggage. It adds a layer of security for your checked belongings while still allowing TSA agents to inspect your bag if necessary without causing damage. This thoughtful addition helps to keep your items safe during transit, offering peace of mind as you travel. Cons. Size may be too large for some travelers. While the spacious interior is a significant benefit for long trips, it might be too large for travelers who typically pack light or prefer more compact luggage. The size of the Samsonite Freeform 28 spinner may be challenging to handle for those with limited strength or those looking for a smaller, more nimble option for short trips. The Samsonite Freeform expandable spinner is a top contender for travelers seeking spacious, durable, and easy-to-maneuver luggage. Its expandable design and lightweight yet resilient construction make it a great option for longer trips, while the TSA lock adds a layer of security. And finally, our number one pick is the Showkoo SK-01 Expandable Luggage. The Showkoo SK-01 Expandable Luggage offers a combination of durability, convenience, and design. Made with travelers in mind, this luggage aims to provide security and ease throughout the journey. We'll explore the pros and cons. Pros. Durable construction. The Showkoo SK-01 is constructed using extra thick PC plus ABS materials, creating a hard shell that is durable and resistant to impacts. This ensures that the luggage can withstand the rigors of frequent travel without compromising its integrity. Despite its sturdiness, the luggage remains lightweight, making it a great choice for travelers who need durability without extra weight. Scratch-resistant finish. One of the standout features is its textured finish, which not only gives the luggage a sleek look but also makes it resistant to scratches. This is an important consideration for travelers looking for luggage that will maintain its appearance, even after multiple trips. Expandable design. For those who tend to pack more on their return journey, the 24-inch and 28-inch models feature a 20% expansion option. This expandable design provides extra space, which is ideal for those bringing back souvenirs or items that didn't fit during the outbound trip. Smooth maneuverability. The luggage features multi-directional spinner wheels, which offer smooth and silent movement. The inclusion of soft TPU and lubricating balls enhances the wheel's performance, making it effortless to maneuver the bag in any direction. Whether you're navigating crowded airports or tight hotel spaces, the Showkoo SK-01 rolls smoothly without making noise. Robust handling. The ergonomic aluminum telescoping handle offers 3 adjustable height options, making it adaptable for travelers of different heights. Additionally, the reinforced carry handles with added brackets increase durability and reduce the risk of cracking under stress. Security and organization. The Showkoo SK-01 includes a side-mounted TSA lock, ensuring that only TSA agents can inspect the luggage without damaging the lock. Additionally, The luggage is designed with secure zippers that resist piercing, providing an extra layer of security for your belongings. The interior also boasts full zip dividers and cross straps to help keep everything organized and secure. Cons. Potential for scratches over time. Although the luggage features a scratch-resistant finish, it's important to note that frequent handling and rough conditions can still lead to visible marks or imperfections, especially on the textured surface. While the finish helps resist scratches, it doesn't make the luggage entirely scratch-proof. The Showkoo SK-01 expandable luggage offers a solid travel companion with its durable build, stylish design, and practical features such as expandability and smooth maneuverability.